Step right up to this pancake stores. We made this a new hotel. And now it's not a game, it's real life. We get to sell pancakes and all sorts of food here. Step right up, step right up. And if you want to eat the pancakes we're making, then you have to come in 2 minutes. And let me introduce to you, fans, to our chefs, Dorothy Radroshi and Rina Roy. She's a number one expert at being shy, and she's a number one at being shouting at me. And now we're making pancakes, and if you want to eat it, you have to see the video and come right here.
This is pancakes.
Cakes.
And these are cakes.
And now, would you mind? If you want to come and eat them, then you just come.